I want to test out this new product I got. It's a diagnostic tool, and it's this little guy right here. And it's a little gadget that you can plug underneath the dash of your car if it was built after 1996. And then it links an app onto your phone using Bluetooth. And if it does exactly what it's supposed to do, it will tell you what's wrong with your car. Now, I've had it for a while, but the check engine light just came on yesterday, so we're going to check it out today. So I've plugged in the diagnostic tool underneath my dash, and it's actually already connected to the app on my phone, and it's telling me that I have a bad oil pressure sensor, which is an easy enough problem to fix. So we're gonna visit a couple of mechanics and see if they're gonna be honest with us about the problem and the cost of my car. I think being a woman, oftentimes people see us as an easy target, so knowing already that it's a bad oil pressure sensor, I'm gonna have Paul come and film with his phone to see if they're actually gonna tell us what the problem is.
Alright, so we had a look and it seems that your motor's been running on low oil, and so it's going to be about $1,900 to fix.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's something that you probably don't want to leave going on for much longer.
Okay, well, I'll have to go home and think about it because I actually don't have that kind of money with me today.
Sure. Okay.
I appreciate it though.
Yep.
So that's not at all what the app said. I can't believe it, $1,900. Well, tomorrow we're going to go see another mechanic and see if he's going to tell us the same thing. Hey.
Oh, hey, how's it going?
Good. I hope you have some good news for me.
Yeah, absolutely. We actually just checked out your car. Turns out all you need is an oil pressure sensor, so.
Okay.
Should be done in about 2 hours. You can come back today and get it if you like, or come back tomorrow.
Awesome. And how much will it be?
It's $96.
Oh, that's great news. Thanks so much.
Yeah, no worries. Have a good day.
You too. So the first mechanic I've actually been going to for years. He's nice and he's close by, so I just kept going back. But holy, $1,900. And the second guy, he was pretty straightforward, less than $100. The whole thing was finished in 2 hours. And thanks to this little guy here, I knew not to pay the $1,900, but it just makes me wonder how many times I've had to pay ridiculous money for no reason. So thanks, Diagnostic Tool, and see you next time.